Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to check how much video RAM or VRAM you have on your Windows 11 PC. I've got two quick methods for you, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first method, we're going to head down to our Start menu here at the bottom and go ahead and right click on it, not left click, but right click. You'll get a little menu that pops up and we're looking for the settings option here. You can go ahead and select that. Once that's loaded up, over on the left-hand side here, you'll see System. You can select System. And under System, you'll see the display option here at the top. Go ahead and select that. And then under Display, we can scroll down and you'll see the Advanced Display option here under Related Settings towards the bottom. If you select that, you'll get another window. And in here, you can go ahead and select different displays, but we're looking for this one here. It's kind of a light baby blue. It says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. We can go ahead and select that and we'll get a pop-up. And I'm running an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. This is the 16 gigabyte version. And right here you can see your dedicated video memory. So your VRAM, I've got 16109 megabytes, which is 16 gigabytes for my graphics card. So that would be the first method of how you would check your VRAM there. So dedicated video memory. Let's go ahead and look at the second method. So we'll hit cancel here and go right back out to our Windows home screen. We're going to go back down to the Start menu and right click again. And you'll see the option here that says Run. You can go ahead and select that and you'll get the Run pop-up window. And we can go ahead and type in dxdiag. So go ahead and type in dxdiag and we'll go ahead and hit OK. And it's going to load up. It takes a second there. And we can go ahead and select our display. So I've got 3 displays running. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of them. I'll go with display 1 here. And it's going to give us the similar information. So NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. And if you scroll down here, you can see display memory or VRAM is at 16109 megabytes or 16 gigabytes. And really, it's that easy to check how much VRAM you have on your PC here in Windows 11.